Mason,
Hey, you got a gun? Why don't you shoot back there?
Shoot that gun! Shoot that gun! Shoot
Hey,
that gun!
Just shoot someone, you bitch!
Peekaboo! Give me my money!
Fuck that! No! I can't do this, girls. I'm supposed to go to Berkeley.
I'm gonna get the party started!
No!
Hey, I'm living my dream of standing in a limo! Oh, I'm killing my dream!
Come here.
What? I'm trying to party!
Down.
Bitch! What? What? Kill you! Kill you!
I'm trying to shoot people. You stop. Just for 2 seconds. You're really hot and you're really sunny and it's awesome, but I gotta shoot people right now.
You think I'm hot?